Hello guys, it's not every day that I say things like this, that a product actually surprises me, but this one's did. This is the first time I am trying clip-on open-ear earbuds that I have on right now, and I was expecting a 5 over 10 in terms of quality and the sound production, but the moment I connected them, it blew me away. It's a 9.5 in my honest opinion, and they are called SOUNDPEATS Clip Pop 2. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review and letting you know if it's worth your time, if it's something you should get. Welcome to the show, GV Tech. I'm G Vader. Let's get to it. Without further ado, let's unbox the SOUNDPEATS Pop Clip 2 earbuds. Inside the box, you'll find a charging case containing the earbuds, a USB charging cable, and the usual paperwork to help you get started. Straight away, these stand out because they don't look like traditional earbuds. Instead of sitting inside your ear canal, they use an ear clip design that rests comfortably around your ears. This means no silicone tips, no pressure in your ears, and you can still hear what's going on around you. If you're someone who wears earbuds for hours while working, walking, or exercising, that's a big advantage, as these tend to stay on your ears during rigorous activities compared to conventional earbuds that fall off your ears. The charging case is a bit larger than other premium brands, but it is considerably lighter. Each earbud weighs around 5 grams. SOUNDPEATS has designed the U-bridge on the Pop Clip 2 to give a more secure fit. They also feature a smooth UV skin-friendly coating, making them comfortable enough to wear for long listening sessions. Another thing I like is that they work well if you wear glasses. I find them very comfortable for long sessions, which isn't always the case with this style of earbuds. And because they are open ear, you stay aware of your surroundings, making them ideal for public spaces or when you're running, cycling, or commuting. Now let's talk about the sound. The Pop Clip 2 features a 12mm titanium-coated dual-magnet dynamic driver. What this means for everyday listening is that they sound surprisingly full for an open-ear design. Vocals are clean, the mids are well balanced, and there's more bass than I expected, which blew me away and honestly make me rank these above other earbuds I own. No, they won't replace a pair of premium noise-cancelling earbuds if your priority is total isolation, but for an open-ear design that lets you stay aware of your surroundings, I think they've done a really good job balancing comfort and sound quality. For calls, there are dual microphones on each earbud with smart environmental noise cancellation to help reduce background noise during conversations. Hello guys, so this is what it sounds like. My voice has been recorded by the microphones on the earpieces. So it's, I wouldn't say it's the best sound quality, but it's pretty decent enough to get the job done. So for making calls, video calls, and so on, it's fine. And if you want to do voice commands for your virtual assistants on your phone, it works pretty well. So that's what the sound feels like. Yep. And this is what they look like in my ear. Pretty comfortable. So it's just a matter of just putting it there. There you go. These clip-on earbuds come with quite a number of features. You get Bluetooth 6.0 for stable connection, multi-point connectivity so you can stay connected to your phone and laptop at the same time, spatial audio, physical button controls, which I prefer over touch controls as they minimize accidental presses and have a satisfying tactile feel. More on this in a bit. There's also an app you can download on your phone for dynamic EQ adjustments, customized button controls, and even a Find My Earbuds feature in case one disappears between the sofa cushions. And one more thing, they are also IPX5 water resistant rated, so they are perfectly fine for workouts or getting caught in a bit of sweat or rain, but not designed to be worn while swimming, showering, or taking a bath. Now let's talk about the controls. The controls are pretty straightforward. A single press on the left lowers the volume, while a single press on the right increases it. Double press either earbuds to play or pause, and press and hold the left or right earbud for 2 seconds to skip back or forward through tracks. Battery life is another strong point. You get up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 42 hours in total with the charging case. That's more battery life than some of the bigger names in the market. If you're in a rush, just 10 minutes of charging will give you around 2 hours of playback. That's pretty impressive and something you'd normally expect to see for more premium earbuds, making it really useful when you need a quick top up before heading out. As much as I love these clip-on earbuds, they are not perfect. There are a few cons I would like to mention. Number one, there's no active noise cancellation, meaning that if you're out and about, you would hear sounds around you. You don't get to enjoy that isolated experience, that fully immersive experience that other premium noise cancellation earbuds tend to offer. Number two, the physical buttons could be awkward to reach. I prefer physical buttons to touch buttons, but the way these are positioned, you can get kind of freely trying to reach for them and click on them as opposed to just touching. The third thing is that the SOUNDPEATS app requires you to register. For some folks, that might not be something they want to do, registering before you can use the app, considering that other manufacturers allow you to use your apps for free without any registration. But it's not really a turn off for me, it's not a deal breaker for me, so I'm cool with it. So here's my verdict. Overall, I think the SOUNDPEATS Pop Clip 2 offers a lot of value for money considering it costs just $50. The open ear design is comfortable enough for all day wear, the sound quality is genuinely impressive for this style of earbud, and the battery life is great. If you've been curious about open ear earbuds but don't want to spend a fortune, I think these are definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check them out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be good.